Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobimechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. Working on a Mazda. Customer said they were driving and they heard this horrible noise. The car wouldn't move anymore. I'm going to give you the sound of this when your car's transmission has seen its days. This vehicle also has 210,000 miles on it, and it wouldn't be worth fixing the transmission, but I want you to hear the noise. I'm going to put it in reverse. I'm going to put it in park. Transmission is gone. I already checked the CV axles. I've already checked everything that can be checked on this vehicle. So if you hear that noise, transmission is gone. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found anything value in this vehicle, hit that super thanks button. Thank you.